Okay, so we are going to draw the structure of HCN today, which is also known as hydrogen cyanide. So the electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. It has 4 electrons, 2 plus 2, 4 electrons in its valence shell. Now for nitrogen, its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. Now for nitrogen, its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. It has 5 valence electrons. Okay, 2 plus 3, 5 valence electrons. And hydrogen, it is pretty simple. It has an electronic configuration of 1s1 and has just a single electron in its valence shell. Okay, now before drawing the structure, I want you guys to remember the valence electrons of each atom of hydrogen cyanide. Okay, so we have carbon in the middle and it has 4 valence electrons. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hydrogen, it has just a single electron in its valence shell. And now nitrogen, which has 5 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so according to Lewis octet rule, or in accordance to Lewis dot structure, it states that every atom wants to complete its octet, okay, except hydrogen and helium, okay, because they have duplet. They can fit a maximum of 2 electrons in their valence shell. Okay, so here hydrogen will complete its duplet, and whereas carbon and nitrogen will complete their octet. Okay, so hydrogen is going to make a single bond with carbon like this. Okay, now let's count the electrons, or if let's check if hydrogen has completed its satisfaction or craving for electrons. Okay, it wants to complete its duplet. Okay, 1 and 2, yes, it has completed its duplet, duplet, duplet. Now let's check for carbon. It will make 3 bonds with nitrogen. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it has completed its octet. Now let's check for nitrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has also completed its octet. Now also one more thing as to why did I say that hydrogen and helium want to complete their duplets. Well, the electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1 and helium has 1s2. That's it. Which means hydrogen just wants another extra one, just a single extra electron to complete its craving for electrons, and will gain 1s2 configuration while making a bond, as the case as in the case here. Okay, and for helium, its electronic configuration is 2, and if it would have been helium plus, its electronic configuration would be 1s1, and it would just require a single electron, just like hydrogen in this case. Okay, that is why hydrogen and helium complete their duplets, and rest of all the elements present in the modern periodic table wants to complete their octet. Okay, thank you.